Whoa, all the things you can find in slime! Isn't it amazing? Not exactly the place I'd use. Where's a good cauldron when you need one? Add some soap, some foam, more soap. Yeah, something tells me this is gonna be a long recipe. Ooh, powder soap, and even more foam. Let's see if those capsules hatched already. Is there a more fun way to get new teddy bears? Oh, Gesundheit! That's one way to get balloons. It's a worm. Maybe a snake? A pretzel. Does she do birthday parties? I wonder what Mommy Longlegs! A stress ball! Hey, who's gonna clean all that up? Let's hope this stress ball stays in one piece. So far so good, and it's nice and squishy. Just look at that bounce! Perfect time for slow-mo. Still, I'd be careful not to… we all know she meant to do that. Cleaning. Just kidding. Let's have some fun. That's one way to pop a water balloon. And clean your pumps, too. The calm before the storm. Now don't just stand there. With arms like that, she can reach around the world. A Play-Doh chopper. It's like a pasta maker, but with Play-Doh. What's more impressive, all those shapes or all the colors?
Ooh.
Then again, there's even more shapes on the side. Though you just can't beat something custom-made. But who doesn't want to have Huggy Wuggy for dinner? Mommy Longlegs sure loves her balloons. Especially when it comes to popping them. What's inside? Well, that's one way to store some ingredients. Now it's time to mix it all up together. It's time to knead it like dough. Let's add some toppings. There's no such thing as too many toppings. Aw, what a cute little baby. And an even cuter batch of slime. But this little pink tub is cutest of all. Talk about tossing your baby with a bathwater. Now it's Huggy Wuggy's turn for a nice slime dip. After all, people pay for all kinds of baths at spas. Don't forget that nice rainbow top. Pour on the colors. Looks like this stuff is shaken, then stirred. After all this fun bathing, he could sure use a shower. Want a drink? Too bad, it's just sand. It's like one of those desert mirages in bottle form. Time to bring out the tools. Got any cookie cutters? You can even use a cup and see what's inside. How about a scoop? We got all 31 flavors. Sort of. Smush it into shape and pour it out. Run a fork through it, and it's like it changes back into sand. That's one way to make a sand castle. Oh, hey, thanks. I was starting to feel a little parched. Or we could just fry it into goo. That's always fun. Just think of all the fun we can have now that it's a solid.
Ooh.
Can't cut up a liquid now, can you? More balloons? This means even more surprises. Wow, it's another balloon. And yet, another balloon. This is why you shouldn't test the fates. Though it's a fun new way to take a shower. Looks like something to drink, which means it probably isn't. Well, as long as we've still got the cup. These cubes can use some slime and a nice frothy topping. It's all in the presentation. But now, it's time for some fun! Keep twisting and pulling until it's all one color.
Wow!
Oh, so stretchy! Now, roll it up into a nice rosette shape.
Wow!
I think she buys these balloons in bulk. She'd have to at her popping rate. Ooh, this gadget will let you fill them up all at once. Which means you can get to popping them all the sooner. Didn't I tell you? Still, what's the fun of all these water balloons without a target? Duck and cover! Of course, water balloons have other uses. Why not make a new fashion statement? Something tells me this toy needs a little attention. Starting with a nice haircut. It's a dog. All these curls. Nearly thought it was a sheep. Nothing like a nice bath. Takes care of all those loose hairs. Get the blow dryer. Oh, we should fix that hair. Let's finish off with a bow. Oh no! Our sandcastles! Where's a good time warp when you need it? Let's start with another craft. This time with good old-fashioned beach sand. Now, it's time to fill these shapes up with Orbeez. So many colors. Make sure to use them all. Can't catch a shooting star? Make your own. Let's fill these shapes up with water. This will keep them big and strong. Now give your hands a nice relaxing massage. Dinner time! Just kidding, it's more slime. Now what else can we do with slime?
Ew!
Ooh, add some nice hot candle wax to it. Just wait for it to harden and have fun trying to crack it open. Try to guess the color of the slime underneath and just crack away. Though it helps not to use a transparent container. Otherwise, you could probably just take a peek. Careful with those nails. Poppy-tacular stuff. Catch you next time.